Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create cable types in the B2 Suite version 2. We open the grid settings and then add a new cable type. We then give the new cable type and corresponding name. Then we choose the construction type from defined types in the database. The construction types for cables are the installation type. This construction type is the reference for the test standard. After that we can add further specific information to our cable type, like the manufacturer, the model, the wire cross section, the wire form, installation type, installation thickness, the shield type, grounding, capacitance per kilometer, resistance per kilometer, the TD level and the PD level. The cable type is automatically saved and can be used now for all your cable topologies.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.